What's up guys, it's Jordan and this is my 2017 bike check. I've pretty much built an entire new bike from the last 3 or 4 months for this year. A couple of big changes, a couple of small ones, but let's go. Start with the bars, pedal drop V2s, 9.5, 30 wide. I need to cut them down quite badly because they're huge. Stranger machine stem in black. Like it, bent mold one, so fuck it. I don't have a clue what headset I have, and I have like 5 million headset caps just because my forks are really long. It works. Fiend Investcast forks in black again. They're decent, they've held up. Front wheel is a Primo N4 V2 hub on a Cinema 777 rim with BSD spokes and a Colt Vans tyre and 2 plastic firmer pegs and a tennis ball. Frame is a proper Techmatic in 21 raw. This is a couple days old. I was so happy that I managed to get one of these as they've sold out everywhere in the UK, other than custom riders who had one left. Got a Stranger Tomorrow pivotal seat and a post I robbed off a complete bike that I found at a skate park. I needed a seat post, I cracked my old one. It works. Oh, Eclat Maverick cranks in black, 175s. They're good, I got them cheap, so might as well. Eclat Contra pedals, I like the metal pins on one side, they're nice, they're grippy. I've been running them for 5-6 months and they're still pretty much as good as new. A Stranger Grand guarded sprocket, 25. Beaten that up a bit, that's probably 5 months old I think. That's been beaten up, but still runs, it's not bent. And onto the back wheel where the biggest change happened. I went back from a free coaster to a cassette again. So I've got a 9-tooth right hand drive Primo Remix cassette, again on a Cinema rim, with 2 plastic firmer hub guards, 1 Primo hub, firmer pegs, fuck's sake, 1 Primo hub guard and some BSD spokes, double butted I think. I think that's pretty much it. I've got a firmer bottom bracket, but other than that, hub sound check? Yeah, let's do it.
Close your eyes, see paradise, won't change your mind, can't shape the lights. I'll take the chance and roll the dice. I want it all just for the night.